Hey guys, it's the YALL Verde. Welcome back to my channel. If you're interested on seeing how I created this particular look here and you want to see the products that I use, go ahead and stay tuned. If you love makeup and hair, go ahead and hit subscribe and then hit the notification bells. You don't want to miss out on anything. I have a lot of good stuff on my channel and good stuff to come. Also follow me on Instagram if you want to see updates on wig reviews I do, and also on makeup looks. You want to see the pictures and whatnot, you can go ahead on Instagram and support your girl and like the picture and comment.
Down, 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 down for you. When I'm down on my waist, I want you, I need you. So come get me when I'm down on my waist. Don't talk to me, I hate you. Just forget me when I'm down on my waist. I want you, I need you. So come get me when I'm down on my waist. Don't talk to me, I hate you. Just forget me when I'm down on my. Hate my old bitch, that's passion. Love this music, that's passion. Life is hard and that's facts. I'm insecure, so I'm acting. That weed and hands start clashing. I'm in my feelings, I'm crashing. And I don't know what to do, nah. I don't know what to do, cause I've been down this road before. Not to take it personal, but if I hit that and don't call back, then you gon' take it personal, right? So I'ma do right when the mood's right. I'm just tryna be the type that you like, but the shit you say get me tight. I can't even breathe right when I'm down on my waist. I want you, I need you. So come get me when I'm down on my waist. Come talk to me, I hate you. Just forget me when I'm down on my.
Okay guys, so I kind of want to clarify right here on this part. So I use these pigments that I bought. I've been trying to keep giving them a try and they fail me yet again. So I started off originally using this neon greenish yellowish color. However, it doesn't act right with other eyeshadows. Matter of fact, it doesn't even act right with my eyeshadow base. I don't think you could use a wet eyeshadow base or a sticky eyeshadow base when you use the pigments. It has to be really like soft and powdery, because it started to crease as soon as I applied her, and then when I tried to blend her with other colors, it appears like it works on the camera, but it really wasn't working in person. It just looked a total mess, and I tried to make a I guess a paste out of the loose eyeshadow. That didn't work either. So I was like, F it, I'm taking the green out of that same Urban Decay for BASQUIAT palette, and that's what I use to complete this look. So that's what you see going on here.
Say you want somebody, so you call
What up? Owe me back like you owe your tax. 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 Back like you owe your tax.
Back it up, 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 just to back it, just to back it, just to back it, just to back it. Jordan, say what you right, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Jordan, say what you right, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Jordan, say what you right, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Jordan, say what you right, just to back it up. You can hold my eyes. Now let's take it.
Owe me back like you owe your tax. 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 Owe me back